Welcome to Spooky Nights BM. Today we are going to talk about the incident of Alcasser girls. Alcasser girls Miriam Garcia Iborra, Antonia Gomez Rodriguez and Desiree Hernandez Fulch, known as the Alcasser girls, who were kidnapped, raped, tortured and murdered after hitchhiking to visit nightclub in the nearby town of Picassent on November 13, 1992. A young couple from Alcasser took the three girls to a petrol station near Picassent, where a resident witnessed them climb into a sedan, thought to be a white Opel Corsa, carrying a group of men. It was the last time the girls would be seen alive. Miguel Rickett and Antonio Angles picked up the girls at the petrol station. When the men drove past the nightclub and the girls began to scream, Angles pistol-whipped them with a Star Model BM handgun. They headed to a crumbling abandoned house near a place known as La Romana, which is very isolated and mountainous area, where two of the girls were raped. The boys went in search of food. Later they raped the third girl 2 hours later. After being tortured for the remainder of the night, the girls were made to walk to a pit the men had previously dug and were assaulted further. According to the autopsy, Hernandez suffered a traumatic amputation of the right nipple and areola with a sharp object and was then stabbed twice in the back. The other girls were beaten with sticks and stones before finally being shot and buried. Investigation. From the moment the girls were reported missing, an intensive search was conducted to try to find them. Their bodies were found on January 27, 1993, 75 days after their murders near La Romana Ravine. Angles was not at home when the civil guard appeared in search of Enrique, leading to a national manhunt. He is assumed to have died when he reportedly jumped overboard off the coast of Ireland, either instantly or from subsequent cold and/or drowning. Alternative theories state that Angles evaded capture. Aftermath. Miguel Rickett was sentenced to 170 years in prison, but because at the time the maximum effective time a person could be in jail was 30 years, this was the maximum time he was expected to serve. Rickett was released from prison in 2013. After 21 years shortly after his release, he disappeared from the spotlight. After living for some time in the south of France, he surfaced in Madrid in 2020 when he was identified by the police while trying to buy drugs in the squat. But the case has been unsolved till to this date. One of the girls' bones, the evidence/proof found on the murder spot. The girls were found in the pit about the girls. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and press the bell icon for more such amazing content. See you again in the next video.